Yo, musta? Ako si Iro. And yeah, back at it again with some yapping session na naman mga tol. Ngayon, di ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa totoo lang. Siguro mag-yap na lang talaga ako at mag-yap. Yep. So yun na nga, recently, yung mga college friends ko, nag-start na yung OJTs nila, ganyan. Sa totoo lang, may miss ko sila kasi syempre, parang sila lang din talaga yung kumukup sa akin nung nag-return ulit ako as a student sa college. And I am super thankful sa kanila kasi yun, binigyan nila ako ng chance to have a circle of friends. Although nung una talaga parang I am having a hard time to accept or to indulge myself sa circle nila kasi I feel like I am just an add-on sa circle nila. And nung una parang gusto ko kasi magkaroon ng sarili kong circle na as in masabi ko talagang part ako kasi dun sa circle na yun parang eventually inampun lang nila ako kasi friend ako ng friend nila. And I'm not complaining, sa totoo lang. I'm not really complaining. It's just that siguro nung mga panahon na yun or nung mga time na yun, I am just looking for something more. And at the same time, I am just ungrateful siguro. Pero I think I'm just looking for something more that time. And yeah, I think yeah, that is part of being ungrateful. I think siguro that time I was just being ungrateful. Hindi ko na-realize na why would you still look for something? Meron ka ng ganito. Willing ka na nilang ampunin or something, di ba? So why would you look for something more? What do you want? Ganun, parang something like that. Well, ngayon, right now, I fully embrace myself as a part of their circle of friends. And I am, sa totoo lang, I'm super grateful. And at the same time, I'm super lucky. And right now, I'm just sad. Kasi parang, ayun, mag-OJT na sila. Although, it is inevitable. Uy, inevitable, tol. Saan galing yung word na yun? Ayun nga. Like, yeah, it is inevitable naman kasi that is part of college. Somehow, maghihiwa-hiwalay kayo to do OJT or to do internship somewhere, di ba? And right now, I feel a little bit sad kasi parang usually kasi dati, every after class, ganyan, sometimes we go out to eat something sa pier dito. But now, there's no place to hide. Pero ngayon parang, yun, like, uwi ako ng alis ako ng campus, mag-isa na lang, ganyan, like, pero I have, like, still, I have my girlfriend sa school. Pero, yun nga, I am just sharing na, yun, sad kasi ako kasi may miss ko talaga sila. And, yun, siguro one thing na super grateful ako sa circle nila, sa circle namin. Yeah. Siguro one thing na super grateful ako sa circle namin is, yun nga, parang kahit na may iba't ibang priority yung bawat isa sa circle, parang sometimes they still find time to bond, ganyan. Although sometimes hiwa-hiwalay, pero I think what matters is um we still try to connect with other na nasa circle. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, parang so far so good. Pero yun lang. Yun, one thing that I'm very grateful talaga sa circle na to is yun, parang they always find time to bond kahit na iba't iba yung priorities ng isa't isa. And yeah, kung mapapanood nyo to, I love you guys. Thank you so much for existing. Lahat kayo. Promise. Thank you so much. Miss, thank you so much guys. Ang ina, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Joke lang. Pero legit, mahal na mahal ko kayo. And Ayun, yung wish ko lang sa OJT niyo is that, yun sana pag-uwi niyo marami na kayong baong knowledge, experience, and at the same time, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa OJT niyo kasi yun, parang it is a new experience for you guys. And yeah, yun lang. Enjoy niyo and yeah, kita-kits sa June or May or yeah, basta sa graduation niyo. Basta wag lang kayong magdadala ng anak. Peace! Bye-bye. Ayun lang. Brr, brr.